Hi, I'm Lee, an avid DIYer, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your cordless Ryobi drill into a powerful screwdriver. Whether you're new to tools or just want to speed up your next DIY project, I'll walk you through the right way to drive screws with your Ryobi drill safely, securely and without damaging bits. Stick around to the end and I'll show you two of my favourite accessories for driving screws like a pro. Let's get started. So, the simplest way to turn your drill into a screwdriver is to take the driver bit, like this, and insert it into the chuck. Hold the chuck and rotate it counterclockwise. To open the jaws, slide it in, a Phillips, flathead, torque, whatever you need. Then twist the chuck clockwise until it fits nicely. Tighten it down. Sounds easy, right? But there's a problem. If you don't tighten it just right, the bit can slide back while you're working, or even fall out entirely. Not ideal when you're halfway through driving screws into a wall or cabinet. This could lead to stripping screws or damaging your drill chuck over time. So when this slips back, for instance, you'll start hitting the end of the chuck here, damaging it. A much better way is to use a magnetic bit holder. Now, I have two here. I'll explain them more in a little later. So this is much easier. You can untighten this to take the bit out. Just use this one here, enter it into the chuck, turn it clockwise. Now, because this end bit here has a much better grip. This gives you grip, a secure magnetic hold like that, and just quickly swap them out. They fit easily into your drill chuck with the hex shank. They make swapping bits super quick and easy, as we just seen. Just insert the bit holder. So if you want a great all-in-one solution, I recommend this Amazon Basics drill and drive multi-bit set. It comes with a magnetic bit holder, a full range of screwdriver bits, Phillips, flatheads, torque, square, hex, you name it, it has it. And it's super affordable, perfect for beginners or anyone doing a range of household jobs. I keep one in the toolbox all the time. Looking for a premium upgrade? Check out this DEWALT magnetic bit holder. Let me swap it out. It has a bit retention, so the bit won't wobble. Even if you're working one-handed. It features an extending sleeve that helps stabilize and fasten and improve control. So when you can extend it like that, so you could pop a screw on like that, put the sleeve over, and it'll help you drive the screw without having to hold it. So it'll keep it in place, and as you drill further down, it'll come down and drill the hole. This DEWALT one is well worth considering if you're looking for a magnetic bit holder. Now, just a quick note, if you're stripping screws when you're driving them, switch to screw mode here and activate the clutch. Adjust the clutch so it stops you stripping the screws. If this helps you out, hit the like, subscribe and drop a comment what your favourite drill accessory or what tool I should cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.